सभी दोस्तों को नमस्कार। मैं जगदीश यादव आपका स्वागत करता हूं आपके अपने चैनल गीतांजलि में। आज हम लोग एक प्रॉब्लम लेंगे और उस प्रॉब्लम का देखेंगे कि प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन एग्जिस्ट कर सकता है या नहीं कर सकता है, और क्या ये इन्वर्टिबल है या नहीं। सो देखते हैं प्रॉब्लम क्या है। सो क्वेश्चन है आपके पास में, that if A, the matrix A, whose element are 1, 2, -1, and matrix B, whose element are 3, 5, -2, then find AB and BA. ओके, सो देखते हैं इसका क्या सॉल्यूशन हो सकता है। सो एज यू नो, टू मल्टीप्लाई the order, either the order must same, either the the number of column of first that will be equal to the row of second. So as here the order of matrix A is 3 row and 1 column, while the B matrices the order is 1 column and 1 row and 3 column. Okay, so since this condition is satisfied, since the condition is satisfied, so it means AB exist with order 3 by 3. Okay, and while B into A, so that is 1 into 3, and matrix A, that is 3 into 1. So again the condition is satisfied. So again, so BA also exist with order 1 into 1. Okay, so here that means AB will be 3 by 3 order and BA will be 1 by 1 order. Okay, so let's find out. So for AB, that is 3 by 3, and it will be the 1, 2, -1 multiply with 3, 5, -2. That will be, as you know, that this will decide the row and this will decide the column. Okay, so the element will be 1, so this element will be decide that 1. If there is no element in which, only 3, so that will be so that will be 1 into 3 and 1 into 5 and 1 into minus of 2. Okay. Moreover, the 2 into 3 and 2 into 5 and 2 into minus 2 and minus 1 into 3 and minus 1 into 5 minus 1 into minus of 2. So the final answer will be that will be 3, 5 minus 2, 6, 10 minus 4 minus 3 minus 5 plus 2. This is the answer. So hence AB equal to 3, 5 minus 2, 6, 10 minus 4 minus 3 minus 5 and 2. That is the product AB. Okay. And for BA, if we go for BA, so that will be the value of B here, the value of B, that is a 3, 5 minus 2 multiply with 1, 2 minus 1. So that will be, so as you know that this thing will decide the row and this thing decide will the column. So again 3 into 1 plus 5 into 2 plus minus 2 into minus of 1. So again that will be final. So 3 plus 10 plus 2, so that will be 15. First column, first column. So hence that BA equal to 15. सो उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन BA और A जो AB था निकालना आया होगा। फिर भी अगर कोई डाउट एंड क्वेरी है तो आप मुझे कंसर्न कर सकते हैं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद वीडियो देखने के लिए।